Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the replacement of the original motor in your Dyson V11, you will need the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to have these tools ready before starting the process. First, ensure your vacuum is completely powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for safety. Next, use the T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are 4 screws in total, and it's important to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully detach the back cover of the Dyson V11. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open if it feels stuck. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover removed, you'll see the motor compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using the soft cloth. This will ensure optimal performance after the new motor is installed. Next, locate the motor itself. There are typically 2 screws holding the motor in place. Use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Once they are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. If your vacuum needs a thorough inspection, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you understand the condition of your machine before proceeding. Now, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you just removed. Make sure it's snug, but be careful not to over-tighten. After securing the new motor, it's time to reattach the back cover. Line it up carefully and press it into place until you hear a click. Replace the screws that you previously set aside to hold the back cover securely. Before you finish, take a moment to clean any additional dust from the exterior of the vacuum. This not only improves the appearance but also helps in maintaining the device's longevity. Now, if you find you don't have the tools required for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel needed. Finally, plug in your Dyson V11 and power it on. Check if the new motor runs smoothly. If everything sounds right, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Before you proceed with any repairs, always request a quote before repair to ensure you are informed of the costs involved. This way, you can make the best decision for your vacuum and your budget. With these steps, you can effectively replace the motor of your Dyson V11 and maintain its performance. Enjoy a cleaner home with your refreshed vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.